The Igbo identity is the only identity that is suffering persecution. That's anyway large scale of propaganda against sponsored conspiracy to bring it down. Why? Ahụ onye Igbo ga-akpọ n'ọnụ na South Africa. Ahụ onye Igbo ga-akpọ n'ọnụ na Ghana. These things are beautiful. Are we going to watch? Are we going to sit back idly and do nothing? We must come. Project the image, the good image of the Igbo. The good side of the Igbo man. Locate the good Igbos like you. Those who sees a brother and call him a brother. Those who wants to better their life and better their society and foster relationship between brothers as indeed because we carry that identity. In fact, only Igbo no go na identity as an Igbo is what more than passport. It is the highest passport. It is the highest currency. You know it. More now. But I'm interested now. You go go and maybe let's get Igbo nishi. Immediately. If when you see me, you fear me. You fear away na Igbo man. Yesterday, I got a program. The only thing that distinguished me out is my dressing. What is that dressing? It's also with Abubu. The picture is on my phone. I'll place it here. Now, yeah, man, even you go look at it. That is identity. Yeah. That is how powerful my identity is. Yes. That is how powerful preserve it. And if you don't see it as great, you cannot preserve it.
Yeah.
Why can you? How? Why? You must carry it. So that is part of the message why we come to South Africa today. To tell you that the Igbo identity, the Igbo one, you can only be great by Igbo. The Igbo cosmology or the Igbo worldview, four I can mention here. Onyagala one name. Ikon, Igwe Brike, Normal Ube one number. Four. The four elements of the Igbo existence. It is embedded on the Eke. You cannot do without each other.
Yes.
We must unite to be one people, to be strong. The Abo man here, the Abo, is no different from the Seduku. It's no different. That is Ndabo. Call them what they are. Ndeka. Is he different from the Ngwa man? He speaks beer. Is he different from the Oka man who trades on a Keoria farm? Is he different from the Ndoki man who also celebrates Iriji? Is he even different from the Uwere person? How is he different from the Ohafia who will always it is all mili with the Eka person. So it is high time we come here, we begin to put it out. See, unity is the only way of survival for those people that carry that identity. What happens tomorrow? And this xenophobia comes to a particular height that the government cannot hold their people, they cannot protect them, and they go loose in the streets and start attacking an identity which you carry, which you don't even, you have been, okay, the Eka denying it here in South Africa, that he is not this, and the people that are coming for you,
they knows you, they measure,
smell that. Ushi you can become here and you don't know it. So if I am bad, you are bad. Why don't we try and strive to be good, the good Igbos, represent the identity well. Then it takes us to the second mission. You love this place. Not that maybe it gives you free food. You hustle more even. You wake up early in the morning to hustle. But what keeps you here is the environment, the working system.
Yeah.
What have you contributed for Ali to be great, to develop? That is where you now talk about, because it is not just what you put in Ali. For whatever you put in Ali, germinates and gives you 100 folds. How would you even start planting when you don't own a land? You, as Igbo, must own a part of our Igbo. And we are not even with the vision we have and the company that I'm partnering with on this animation. We don't have any, as in, and I'm saying, men now Abia State, so Chorama and Abia State, own any part of Igbo, own a part of Anyoma, which where we have something.
Almost half of our living on a Owashuku.
Asabi Buzo.
Buzo everywhere. All this is valuable.
You sell Azaba.
This is what I think that we live together.
I say on every part. On every part.
Yes.
Let's put the Yoruba media to shame. Thinking that Igbo is not viable to own real estate.
Yes.
We are shutting them up.
Of course.
Be a part of owning a chunk. I'm a Imo. So therefore, not so Imo here. No, own a part of Oka. So no Oka will run on Oka. Anywhere, it will not just because here now like gold. It keeps appreciating. It keeps coming up. If you put in something, it traps it for you, it holds it for you, it grows it for you.
And then you have more confidence in you when something big on.
You will. Yes. So now I have, because through the grace of God, we have built a platform that's a name that is worth more than billions. You cannot give me 1 trillion naira now. In name for 1 trillion. Actually, but you cannot give me to betray a Igbo. To introduce something when you go unnecessarily.
Yeah.
Thinking that I'm saving him, you're wrong on
Yeah.
Or somewhere you will put your heart and money. Oh, you know to hear how you will be the street. May my sort of promote to you, it's a no, I feel no. Our people here, the majority of the people here are not investing at home, not that they don't have the resources, not that they cannot, but what? They don't have who to trust.
Yeah.
Trust is the problem.
Yeah.
What if you see a place, what if you see people when that's the interest with you that you can trust? Won't you put something down?
Of course.
Yes.
That is the part of why I am here too. I am telling you to have hope on the Igbo identity, and I'm actually telling you to do what? Own a part of our name. So don't name way an Igbo. You cannot be an Igbo person without practicing the Igbo culture.